Hi all. So in today our this YouTube video we will discuss about a module of SAP production planning, and in this video we will give you the basic overview about organization structure, master data processes and integrated module with production planning. So let's start. Before starting, let me introduce myself Satish, and I have like more than 10 years of experience in SAP domain. So I thought what I learned to share on YouTube so that it can help to other audience. So let's start with this video. So in this video, we will discuss about introduction of production planning, organization structure, master data, and what are the master data you see, material master, bill of materials, resource, work center, recipe, routing, and production version. So all these are master data of production planning. So let's start with the introduction of SAP production planning. SAP production planning is a core module within the ERP system that help organization efficiently manage and control their production processes. It integrates with other modules like material management, sales and distribution, quality management, to optimize entire supply chain. So we can say this is the part of supply chain and basically used into manufacturing process and planning. So some of the key features of SAP production planning: demand management, material requirement planning, production order management, capacity planning. So you see in demand management what system do: forecasting and planning customer demand, ensure material and available for production while minimizing inventory levels, and in production order management, streamlining the creation, scheduling and monitoring of production orders. Capacity planning, balancing of production load across resource work centers to enhance the efficiency. So what are the benefit for the customer to use of production planning? Improved production efficiency and resource work center utilization, enhance visibility of the production processes, better alignment of production with market demand. So these are the benefit if we use production planning. So in production planning, as we see introduction already, we discussed business scope, that we can say it can come into planning and execution. In the another slides, we will see the organization structure related to production planning, and master data also we will see, and the business process, how end-to-end business process used for a customer we see in this one. So in later another videos we will go deep in like T codes, reports, customizations, key data structures and business process master list. So in this video we will just discuss overview of production planning, and later in another video we will make like for one special video for key data structures, special video for business process manufacturing list, master list. So in next, if we go business scope. So what are the business come in production planning? So if you see, yellow box are the master data which are used in SAP PP, and green box are the processes, and blue box are the transaction. So if we see master data, material master, BOM, recipe, resource, production version, these are the our master data used in production planning. And in the transactions, we can say it's directly related with purchasing, store, quality, FICO, sales and distributions. And if we see about our transactions like run MRP, material requirement planning, process order, demand management, capacity management, and scheduling. So these are the business scopes come under SAP production planning. If we talk about SAP production planning organization structure, so basically the whole organization structures you can refer with the MM and FIC organization structure, because there are like controlling area and cost centers and other things are available there in material master and FICO, finance and controlling model. So in production planning, we just from company code, we take the plant and into the plant are the storage location to store the materials. Next, if we talk about the master data is the bone for any type of the company to run their business. So first, material masters, bill of materials, resource, recipe, production version. So in upcoming slides, we will discuss in detail about material masters and other master data related to production planning. So again, we have these, I think my mistake, we have repeat slide. So master data is, we have material master bound routing. Now, if we talk about material master, so there are different views that to be used in another modules also like sales and distribution, material management, quality, finance and controlling. So some are the views which are used for material master in production planning. Basic views we can say where we define material type, material group, any reference number of old material code, gross weight, net weight that we maintain in basic view. And then after comes for the production planning, here are the important view for SAP production planning: MRP1, MRP2, MRP3, MRP4, and work scheduling view. So in view we have different fields: MRP group, MRP type, MRP controller. These are the fields where we need to maintain the data to identify our product. And in work scheduling view, we maintain data related to batch processing or scheduling profiles, supervisors who is taking care about that material. So this detail we maintain in material master. And definitely we will have a different session about material master creations, material master reports, and how we use material master in SAP production planning. Second master data is BOM, bill of material. So first we see what is BOM. BOM, bill of material, is one of a PP master data which contain information like of component and its quantity required to produce in SFG. SFG means semi-finished goods, not the finished good. And it's another we use it finished good. FG stands for finished good. SFG stands for semi finished good. So when we produce any finished good product, then we consume some of the semi finished goods and then we prepare our finished good product to sell in the market. Bill of material is formally structured list of components that make up a product or assembly. The list of contains material codes of every component together with the quantity and unit of measurement. So basically, in BOM we define which components to be used to produce any finished good products and how much quantity will be required to prepare a finished good product. And scope of BOM, where we use the BOM in material requirement planning, product costing and material consumption, we use bill of material. And there are multiple type of BOM, as you see: single level BOM, multi level BOM, super BOM, phantom assembly BOM. If there are more than one BOM for a SFG or finished material, then we create the alternative BOM in SAP system. So in detail about creation of bill of material and how we use in production planning, we will create a separate video for that. So be in touch and subscribe to get more videos. Next master data is resource and work center. So here I mentioned two words: resource and work center. So in another video, if you see, we define that different type of industry, all type of industry use SAP. So in that case, This is a naming culture. If we go into pharma or chemical industry, it is showing resource. And if we go any automotive and automation company, manufacturing company, then it is called work center. But resource and work center in SAP system, resource are business object which are used for different business activity like production, plant maintenance, etc. So what are the scopes? You see scheduling, operating time, break time that we need can maintain, and the costing, capacity planning, that all the things we can get with the help of resource and work center. So which business object can be treated as a resource or work center? Any machine can be, group of machine can be, assembly resource can be, employees also can be considered as a resource or work center or group of employee. So same we will discuss in detail in our another videos for resource and work center. Now recipe or routing, same as resource and work center, recipe and routing are used in different type of industry. Recipe to be used in process industry are chemical, pharma industry. These are the where we use recipe, and routing discrete manufacturing where like automotive and their product changing frequently, their shape, where we use routing. So a recipe can be defined as a process task list which include number of operation which need to be performed in predefined successive sequence and same resource to produce a product. Okay, so in the recipe we define the route and we define the machine and we define the time. So to prepare any product, how much time to be taken by the machine and by the labor. So what are the scopes of recipe and routing? To reflect the capacity requirement of production, and to determine the standard values like consumption of machine labor and electricity required for that production, and to provide operation instructions, and to maintain alternate operation sequence, to integrate production resource and tools. So recipe routing are needed for in-house production of semi-finished or finished good and costing of semi-finished and finished goods. So same, for more details we will be meet in next video. So after that we come another master data, that is production version. So what is production version? Production version is a link between BOM and recipe. It determines which alternative BOM is used together with which recipe or plan of the material. And scope of production version, we can see alternative BOM and recipe assignment, task list type, task list group, group counters for assignment of task list, lot size restrictions, and period of validity. Use of production version can be selected automatically, manually during production process order or production order creation, and separate production version can be maintained for subcontracting and job work material. So if we go for production version, here is the example. Here we create two production version 1, production version 2, and if you see BOM 1, recipe 1, this is production version 1. And if we want to create production version 2, then there are different component, and in different component we have the same recipe, then it will be production version 2. So if you see in ECC, this production version was not mandatory, but in HANA, production version is mandatory. It's obligatory. So production version key fields are mentioned also here: material code, production version number, description, validity date, load size, alternative BOM, alternative recipe. So these are the production version key fields. So in this video, we just discuss about overview of master data related to production planning. In our next videos, we will see these master data real time in SAP, how to create material master, how to create production version, how to create work centers, routings, and how to create to use of these master data in business processes. So please subscribe this channel. For more details, you can contact on the given mail ID and the mobile number. And in future, we will make these type of short video to enhance all our audience the knowledge related to SAP.